Hello, comrades. My name is Lev, professional Russian. Don't repeat.
Сука, бля!
I was browsing the internet today and I came across a very interesting test called How American Are You? As you can see, there's plenty of them, but we go with the very first one because it's quality, it has to be quality, right? So it's BuzzFeed, very quality information source. Only an American has done 20 out of 26 things on this list. Alright, let's see. What is that? I'm sorry, show what? You sometimes talk too loudly. Sometimes, well, I guess. You voice your opinions out loud. Yes. You make small talk with baristas and cashiers. No. You ask strangers for directions or for the time. No. You talk to strangers. No. You generally polite. Yes. You smile as you move through life. Yes. I smile as I move through life. Thank you. You do that half smile thing when you pass by strangers on the street. What half smile thing? What? Half smile thing. Half smile. Yeah, I always do this when I pass by strangers on the street. I guess. No, I don't do that. You own a baseball hat. I wish. You own a fanny pack. Bruh. You own sneakers. Bruh. Yes, I own sneakers. You own cargo shorts, skirt or pants. Cargo is military, right? What is that? Cargo pants. Is that military pants? Yes. Well, I literally have military pants because I've served in the military. Does that count? I guess. You have college apparel in your closet. No. You have Greek life apparel in your... No. You wear any or all of these things on a regular basis. I'm sorry, what things? You're not even... Who created this test? Ah, it's BuzzFeed, of course. Sorry. Then everything is alright. You wear any or all of these things on your regular... No. You tip your servers or waiters. Yes. You like ice in your beverages. So I guess... You like close to 24-hour supermarket. I know it's American thing, by the way. Ice in your beverages. You live close to a 24-hour supermarket or grocery store. I guess. You jaywalk. I did jaywalk once in Russia. I got caught by the one time. It was not a fun time, let me tell you that. You use the haircut of your AC when it gets warm. Hell yeah, of course. You have attended tailgates. Bro, tailgates. What is that? Tailgate party is a social event held on and around the open tailgate of a vehicle. Tailgating, which primarily takes place in the United States, again, that often involves consuming alcoholic and grilling food. Well, no. We have this party inside the car. Why get out of a car when it's cold outside? You stay warm, consume whatever you consume. We consume air. You have a photo with Solo Cup in your head. Oh, this cup, I know, this gangster Solo Cup. I wish I had photo with Solo Cup in your hand. You sing along to songs out loud in public places. Sweet Caroline. No. You know all the words to Don't Stop Believing. Don't Stop Believing, I don't know this song. Your favorite holiday is the 4th of July. I love cheese. Show me my results. You're a frequent visitor. You've spent some time in America. Perhaps you even love hamburgers. But you're not 100% there. But this just means that no one can pin you down because you are a true international. That's right, true international. Coming your way. Subscribe. Kobe Bryant on my shirt. I am pretty American. RIP boss, you the greatest. Next test. We'll try a bunch of these if these are quick to go through. Question 1 out of 12. What are you most thankful for every day? Mother Earth. Where is Mother Russia? It has to be Mother Russia. Freedom, family and food. Thanksgiving Day, I guess Americans supposed to answer food. But I will say Mother Russia. So Mother Earth is like Mother Russia to us. Oh, the metric system sure does suck, doesn't it? Are you kidding me? I will never answer that it sucks. You are crazy if you think metric system sucks. Inches and pounds, baby. What? Are you serious? Goodbye. No. I guess I'm not American after all. Which American hero do you most identify with? Washington for his leadership, Franklin for his scientific mind, Jefferson for his philosophy, Lincoln for his... Martin Luther King Jr. Yes, let's go. Black Lives Matter, okay? Which do you believe should be emphasized more in the American education system? Critical thinking, real life business skills, conservationism, the influence of other cultures. Americans, you should know about the influence of other cultures. Let's go real life business skill. I feel like Americans, anybody would benefit from that, honestly. What does the phrase the pursuit of happiness mean to you? The Will Smith movie? Building a home and family, building a business, creating better world for everyone. Mother Russia. Expressing myself. The pursuit of happiness. I guess expressing myself. Very selfish American dream, right? Who saved France's ass back in World War II? America! I think some other countries may have also been involved. Bruh! Which environment is most suitable for raising kids? Urban, to grow up tough. Rural, to feel connected and secure to nature. Small town, to feel connected to people. They call black community urban these days, I know. Tough is the way to go. What's the best part of America's most popular unofficial holiday, the Super Bowl? The Friends, family and alcohol. Ooh, I'm tempted to choose this one already. The commercials, the game. I think sports are a waste of our precious time. Okay, this is definitely not American answer, I know. The game is very important. The commercials. Friends, family and alcohol. I don't care really, I'm NBA fan as you can see. I go friends, family and alcohol. The commercials also not that interesting. I can probably shoot better one. Which of the following would you consider America's greatest strength? Our natural resources, our multiculturalism, our economy, our constitution. Yes, constitution. America Constitution, let's go. The sound of multiple languages being spoken in an international metropolis, no biggie. That's just Tupac, no biggie, you should have said. Disconcerting, more English please. Good for business, global economy, here we come. Music to my ears. Well, I go good for business, here we come. Which class of Americans do you feel is getting the short end of the stick these days? The poor, minorities, the middle class, job creators. We're all gonna be on the short end of the stick without more environmental protections. I choose this one, but I feel like minorities really get the short end of the stick. What's your favorite moment from the movie Independence Day? I seen Pursuit of Happiness, but Independence Day, I have to see it probably, right? Will Smith was in that movie, man. Oh boy. Oh, 66. Okay, not bad, I might watch it. The stirring speech given by the president before he jumps into a fighter jet to dogfight with aliens. The rest of the world waiting for the USA to organize the counterattack. I'm not familiar with the film. Ooh, I cannot answer this. Well, I'm not familiar with the film, obviously it's correct answer for me. I know who Will Smith is, or at least, that's good. It's taking way too long to calculate my results. Did I break the website? Okay, let's try next one for now. True American. Got couple more. Almost done! Oh my god, it's collecting all of my information. Get my result. What are they doing? Are they scanning me for you are an urban hustler and you're 100% American? Yes! Please love me. I'm coming guys, I'm coming. 100% urban. I love Grand Theft Auto San Andreas and I played it ever since I was very small child. So now I'm looking to have some black friends like in rap hip hop that I very listen to a lot, okay? So like Kobe Bryant, dunk on them haters, dunk it on them. It's a tough world, but you're determined to leave your mark on it. You're an independent thinker who realizes that sometimes it pays to be cynical and so you prefer to be left alone to do whatever it is you want to do. The city is the only place you can really call your home, isn't it? Not bad, I like this one. Next one, find out how American are you really. Let's start! What is the national anthem? Yankee Doodle, America the Beautiful, Star Spangled Banner! Oh yeah! Shut up Marvin Gaye, man. That man is ridiculous. How can you spell America? America, 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 USA! All of these, let's go all of these. Do you own any American flag or gear? Yes, I do. I do. You prefer to drink your beer out of the can, a frosty mug, a red Solo cups. I'd prefer to drink them out of red Solo cups, honestly. But we don't have them here. The song Born in the USA is by who? The Eagles. I never heard that song. Bruce Springsteen. I guess it's Bruce Springsteen, but I've never heard that song. Definitely not the Beatles. What does the 4th of July celebrate? America's independence from Great Britain, a chance for people to get drunk, fireworks. As tempting as the second option is, I'm not idiot, okay? Finish this sentence. America is great, back-to-back World War champs in a recession. The Russian in me does not allow me to press this button, I'm sorry. Guys, you do what you want, but you know who won the war, okay? We all did. You close-minded, there can be Matabo finger on your. What is the American dream? A house, whatever you want it to be. A job, it is whatever you want it to be. Do you drink? How are you celebrating Memorial Day? Isn't Memorial Day supposed to be capitalized? Celebrating those in the armed forces. I'm not, I'm working the pool. BBQ, I guess? Calculating results. 100% American pride. What does that mean? Okay. Are you a true American? If you are an American citizen, there is no excuse for you to fail this test. Do you know how your government works? Take this quiz to finally. A test for the big brain people. This was some weak stuff right there. I need something nice. How many justices serve on the Supreme Court? Oh my goodness. 9, 11, or 15? Let's go 11. The two houses of Congress are Supreme Court and White House. They should have had a Black House and White House. Senate and Supreme Court. House of Representatives and White House. Senate and House of Representatives. Supreme Court is a court. It's not a house. Okay. Senate, House of Representatives. Number 3. Who is this guy? How long is the United States Senator's term? I feel like it's 6 years, but correct me if I'm wrong. The American national anthem is God Bless America, Star Spangled Banner. Of course it's star, I know this, easy. If both the president and vice president are unable to serve, who is next in line to the Oval Office? Ooh, this is good. Vice president? Oh my goodness, who are these guys? Speaker of the House, Senate Majority Leader, Senate Majority Whip? Who, what? Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. He's a judge, he's not gonna be the Speaker of the House, I guess? Number 6. Who is the President of the United States? President of what? The United States Senate. Vice President of the United States Secretary of State. It's Vice President. Pets. Continue the quiz. As of 2016, how many voting members served in the House of Representatives? Ooh, let's go 270. I don't know. Was that correct? I don't understand. Or is it just putting a check mark everywhere? Which holiday is not a federal holiday? New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, Good Friday, Independence Day, Christmas Day. I feel like it's Good Friday. I don't know what Good Friday is. Is there a Bad Friday? Every Friday is Good Friday. Shout out to the movie Friday, my favorite movie. R.I.P. John Witherspoon, by the way. The supreme law of the US is Sharia law. That's a good one. The Constitution, St. James Bible, whatever the president says. No, this is the Russian supreme law. The Constitution is supreme law in the States, at least on paper. Like it everywhere is, you know. Which amendment protects citizens from excessive bail, fines, and cruel and unusual punishment? Excessive bail. 8th Amendment. 4th Amendment. Some of these has to be freedom of speech. I feel it's like 2nd Amendment. 4th Amendment is the gun laws, right? I feel like it's the guns. I'll go with 8th Amendment, I don't know. Which of the following is the president, not the chief leader of? Supreme Court, Executive Branch, Army, Navy. I guess Supreme Court, Executive Branch is the president, Army control, Navy also control. He should be able to control that, at least. Supreme Court, I go Supreme Court. 12. Which is not a position in the President's Cabinet? Secretary of the Interior, Vice President of the US, Secretary of Energy, White House, Chief of Staff. Chief of Staff? I don't know, guys. Energy Secretary? I don't know. Last question, how would you rate this quiz? It was pretty okay, but it's too difficult. Okay, show me results. It was not like, hold tight. I'm holding tight. You got 9 out of 12 correct. Where did I make mistake? So I went 11. Okay, mainly 9 justices. Okay, I was right here. I was right. Always right. Continue. 435. I did not know this one. Of course, I was right. I was right. White House chief, I had the feeling this could be it. Show me my results. You are likely an American who failed to pay attention in civics class. You get the gist of how the government works. There are some things you need to brush upon. We know you can do better. You know what you can do better? Come up with the better test, you stupid idiot. That is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed doing these tests with me. They weren't scripted, by the way. If you have any suggestions for future videos, there is a link in the description box. By the way, guys, I'm starting this new thing. If you have any suggestion what I should post on my Instagram, leave it in the comment section down below and I will post your suggestion. The top voted comment gets a post on my Instagram. Basically, you will be the ones running it now. So any top voted comments that I'll see on the video, I will make sure to do what they say on my Instagram. So like you can be like, take a picture and pink shirts, and I'll try to deliver. But I don't promise I will do everything you write. If you thumbs up a suggestion that has me riding on a cat with a blowtorch, that's not happening. It has to be something real, okay? Okay.